Well, so in this video, we'll talk about three things about your NATA result, how to download step by step. So NATA result, post that result, what next and how. So well, based on your result, we'll discuss what to do, what not to do, how. And the third and most important is about your second round exam. Well, so NATA is conducting again the exam on 12th of September and the last date to apply for it 6th of September. So we will discuss how to plan a strategy the entire exam. Well, this is Krishanand Singh, your coach, mentor, guide, and welcome all our viewers. If you want to write the NATA mock test for 12th September, this is the announcement. Make sure you go and download Ignite India app right now and send the request for batch code. I'll tell you here, the batch code is NATA mock test paper is the batch name and batch code is NATA03. This is the batch code. After sending this request, you can write today 6 p.m. test. Yes, if you are watching my video today, make sure you go and write that test today 6 p.m. In case if you are watching this video late, so 5th of September morning 10 a.m. the same test will repeat. Using this code NATA03, you can write the same test 6 p.m. morning 10 a.m. Well, apart from this, 11:15 today we'll have a live session over here, and tonight 10 p.m. post your NATA result, we decided to come live on Ignite India. So I'll come live at Ignite India, our Instagram page. For that you need to go Ignite_India, our Instagram page. Make sure you like, subscribe and press the bell icon button for this channel also. Let's start discussing about the step what need to do. Well, so if you are not able to get your NATA result, first you need to go on official website on nata.in. Make sure you go and on nata.in, the official website. There are the if you go in the corner, we'll click, there's the pop-up links are. In that, the new pop-up link where result will mention, on that you have to click. After the clicking that link, you need to write your NATA application link and as well as your NATA password. Application form number and the NATA password, these two things is required in this to get your result. Well, so after that you need to do the next step, submit. The moment you will submit, you have to wait for a while after submit, because now on your screen your result is about to come. Once you will get the result on your screen, nothing much to do, you just see what is your number and decide where you are planning to take admission. If your marks is high and you want to become topper, so what next? Because you have a time, that opportunity, because I believe the 29th exam was just a trial, and in that trial also you got a decent marks, good marks. Make sure set the new target, the high target. Well, in between, if somebody having a very less marks, not even the cutoff, because you know the cutoff for this exam is 32 marks in your part A, 18 marks in part B, and you haven't scored that marks also. Do not worry, our team will mentor you, coach you, guide you. Contact us. We are having a regular classes, we are having a mock paper, we are having a set of tests, and we are having a couple of tests which you can attend, and multiple classes also for all course, PCM, part A materials, everything is there. So you wanna be a part of it, you can. You just need to contact us, fill the Google form, contact us, follow the steps, and we are accessible. You can easily reach to us. Now the next step is, well, if somebody having a marks in between, like maybe your marks is 80, 90, or is just 20 marks, 30 marks less to apply in those top colleges. Maybe your marks is 110, 120, 130, but your board marks is less. So that means you need more in NATA, because we know the 50% weightage we have for NATA and 50% weightage we have for board marks. So in that scenario, what need to do? It's very simple. We have to perform better in next. We can plan and strat it properly. So now I'll come to the third segment, where is the strategy and planning for 12th exam. So we suggest you see where you got the score. So that portion and section you just need to push yourself a bit to get a better score. Second thing, part A we know it's a major. more than 60% is part A, 125 marks. So there is no compensation in this particular part. You need to put a lot of effort. Today only make sure you get the all Ignite material for part A. Updated material will help you to know all 6 subtopic which was mentioned there, and as well as this will help you to get a better score also in a part A, or theoretically understanding is clear. There are many videos are also uploaded on it. Make sure you watch, that's there on our channel. Next thing what need to be done is you can go and you can check our test papers are which is there on our YouTube, and as well as in you can write a couple of tests on our app also. You can in fact be a part of mega test series which will give you a lot of information and the way to attend. Well, so if you're stuck guys anywhere, any queries is there for strategy for next exam, make sure contact us immediately, because I was getting so many call messages. Our team is trying to reach to the maximum students. You can forward this video to any needy students or your friend, though they are in need and they need help. So we'll make sure that the team will reach to them, team will give them the all access, and we'll follow exactly the all steps, because here our test is not just uploaded. You have to come into the live test. You can write the test only when it is live in that duration. Our all classes are also live, all discussions are also live, and our YouTube and Instagram, although there also will come live. So it's all live sections are, there is nothing here which you can just access and you can watch anytime and you can see it. So on YouTube you must connected with us, press the bell icon button, and Instagram follow us, and I'm really thankful and happy for all your continuous support and love. Keep asking your question and we'll reply you immediately whenever whatever you want to know. Obviously team will come with the all information. We are really happy with all your support which you guys are keep continuing for us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Signing off.